Hi, pretty little sunflowers. Did you know that there's a term called silent epidemic? It sounds like a disease, right? No, it's not a disease. It's a term used to define the unreported and unseen number of suicide that happens among male. Before diving deep into the data and statistics and understanding the term, let's see at the specific data. Expressing emotions is considered as weakness, which I think shouldn't be the case. It's applicable in both men and women. See, men is supposed to be the breadwinner of the family. Men are supposed to be the pillar of the family. Men are supposed to be the one to take a step forward, take action, but never receive the chance to take a step backward. You don't have a job. That's very unmanly of you. You are crying. You are sad. That's very weak of you. Men don't cry. They don't show emotion. That's a girl thing. Or there's a completely different perspective. Like men should be in stronger field of profession. Wrestling, sports. Men can't be in the field of cooking, music, painting, or dancing. That's a sign of femininity that we have all been taught. Where the root cause starts. The root cause starts from the first and important sentence that have been feeded for times and generations inside men, that men don't cry. Have you ever seen them cry? Or have you ever seen them getting emotional on something? You might have seen them showing anger or stubbornness or male ego as we call. But we have never seen them getting emotional. Have you ever seen a soda bottle break or burst or pop out loudly? That's what silent epidemic could be visually represented. When all these feelings accumulate inside their heart, mind, soul, it becomes a strong force that's wanting to burst out open. And then it can't because again societal norms, societal pressure, peer pressure, whatever you call. So what happens? The final act of letting go, and this letting go concludes to letting go of everything, even their life. There are reports that men tend to use more brutal ways to commit suicide, and 99% of the time they succeed in that. Next time when you see your friend or your relatives that they are sad or something, don't tell them that don't cry, don't get emotional. Just sit beside them and ask them what's the issue and how can you make them feel better. There are high chances that 98% of them would force you to stay away from the thing, because we all know they haven't taught to act like that. But it starts with you. You should be the one to make them feel safe and say that yes, I am there for you. I am giving you space, but I would love to cooperate and share your burden. It may happen that you can't share the entire thing or bring a solution, but at least you can hear the problem. A message for every man out there. You don't need to be feel alone. You are not alone, and it's okay to feel sad, feel weak, and not go according to societal norms. It's okay. Everyone has a bad day, everyone has their bad phases. Also, we all get tired sometimes, and it's okay to rest, and it's very important that you communicate clearly with others. Communication is the key. Next video, next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and continue to live life.